Good night, my name is Catherine Lopez, and let's talk about HIP of agreement chart. The Tulipan SAS. Parties the company Tulipan SAS we address in the city of Cali, Colombia. Start date, the company Tulipan SAS start the license on May 6, 2023. And duration, it will have a duration of 1 year from the start date. Authority of the license IP, the authority of I listen grade and be the company Tulipan. SAS is the sale or marketing of women lingerie tie under gear. In Friday gaming, it provides the company can charge and police fines for violation committed under the company. The termination, the employment contract can be terminated by Tulipan SAS for different reasons, among which are the termination with mutual agreement, the expiration of the agreed term. Choice of law, the company Tulipan, in choice of a law to which the content of an international contract is submitted, which normally belongs to the legal system of the state. Resolution. Dispute resolution with Tulipan refer to number of process they can be used to resolve a conflict, dispute or claim between parties, including litigation, mediation, and negotiation.
Thanks, Catherine. Hello, my name is Joan Urbano. As I know, in the framework of negotiations, there are several methods that are used to define the obligations of each of the parties, such as the clause of a contract. In this contractual section, it is important that Tulipan SAS establishes the cost of the merchandise, which is paid once the merchandise is received by the client in perfect conditions for its proper use and or distribution. On the other hand, the payment should and projects must also be taken into account, which correspond to Tulipan SAS for his participation in the lingerie type women's underwear maquila. Finally, I would like to mention that it's okay to consider the preemptive right, the license options, the options term in the license. It is code and clearly the exclusivity of the clause, which would allow clarifying the obligations of each of the parties, helping to avoid disagreements and lawsuits that could be costly. Thank you.
Good night. My name is Carlos Flores. It is row number 4. Liability. Tulipan SAS provides a product liability for any products manufactured under the license and indemnifies the licensor against any responsibility conferred product. Warranty on license patents. The company Tulipan SAS in the owner of the brand and the same exclusivity authorizes the distribution of the products manufactured by authorized previously agreed distribution point. Ownership of IP. The rights provide the company will be the owner and owner of the benefits and goods corresponding to the same distribution and expansion of the brand wide the respective design. Ownership of improvements. The improvement of structure, plant, equipment, or designs corresponding to clothing of underwear will be the company Tulipan SAS.